Hello friends, welcome to ToyCity, and today in this video we have a country jeep with us. Dun-dun-da. Yeah, this one, the one which is in front of you. It's so big, so amazing that last time you remember our remote control car that is so tiny in front of this jeep. Yes, you can check out the size of this jeep, which is so big. So excited? Yes. So let's unbox this jeep. So this jeep comes in different color, that is like red, green and yellow. I don't know which color jeep do we have, but we will come to know soon, very soon. So yeah, let's unbox this jeep. Wow, this jeep is so big and the color is so bright. Yeah, this jeep is so big in front of this car. So okay, you can have the first look of this view. So the light is very much good. Let's focus on the car. Okay. Wow. This car is so amazing. Children would love to play with this car. So let's have a wider look on the working of this car.